Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the Heybike Ranger Electric Bike. Don't forget to hit the link below for current pricing and availability. Let's start with performance. The Ranger comes with an upgraded peak 1400 watts motor, capable of reaching speeds up to 28 miles per hour. That's fast enough to tackle city streets, hills, or light trails with ease. The motor delivers smooth and responsive power, making acceleration quick while still giving you full control over your ride. Battery life is impressive as well. The Ranger is equipped with a 600 watt-hours removable battery, giving you plenty of range for daily commuting or weekend adventures. Being removable makes it convenient to charge indoors or swap batteries if needed, so you don't have to rely on finding an outdoor outlet. Depending on terrain and riding mode, you can expect a solid distance on a single charge, which makes it practical for longer rides without interruptions. The bike is designed to handle a variety of surfaces with its 20-inch fat tires, which provide excellent traction and stability on pavement, gravel, sand, or light trails. Paired with the front suspension fork, the tires absorb bumps in rough terrain, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride even when the road or trail gets a little rough. One of the standout features is the folding step-through frame, which makes the Ranger highly portable and easy to store. You can fold it down quickly to take it on public transport, put it in your car trunk, or store it in a compact space at home. The step-through design also makes it easy to mount and dismount, which is especially convenient for riders of all heights. Safety and usability are well thought out. The Ranger comes with front and rear brakes, a bright front headlight, and a clear display that shows speed, battery level, and riding mode. These features ensure a safe and intuitive riding experience, whether you're navigating traffic or enjoying off-road trails. The bike also offers multiple riding modes, from full electric throttle to pedal assist, allowing you to tailor the power output to your needs and terrain. In real-world use, the Heybike Ranger feels stable, responsive, and fun to ride. Its combination of speed, range, suspension, and fat tires makes it suitable for commuting, fitness rides, or weekend adventures. It's practical enough for daily use, yet capable enough for off-road exploration. Overall, the Heybike Ranger Electric Bike is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a reliable, powerful, and versatile e-bike. With its 1400 watts motor, 28 miles per hour top speed, 600 watt-hours removable battery, 20-inch fat tires, front suspension, and folding step-through design, it balances performance, comfort, and portability in a single package. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe for more electric mobility and tech content, and let me know in the comments where you take the Heybike Ranger on your first ride. See you in the next one.